Yeah. So how we can find out reactance value? Yeah.
by sir square root square under square root r square
Square root of
r square sir z square মানে impedance
आर स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर का क्या हो, कैसे लिखेंगे? स्क्वायर अंडर रूट लिखिए, उसके बाद अंडर रूट,
yes
suppose
sir
that x EH equal to a square root, then some relation between the resistance and impedance, that means
impedance
yes.
yes sir
So how we can write the relation, that relation, that means resistance and reactance. impedance equal to हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? impedance is equal to resistance plus jx, is it not?
yes sir
So if
yes
you
sir.
find out the z square equal to r square real part of the square plus reactance x square, okay? So
Yes.
z square equal to r square plus x square. If you want to find out r equal to, that means z square minus x square, नहीं,
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah.
reactance is equal to a square root of z square minus x square, okay? So you can just write here REH R suffix EH equal to a square root of z square minus x square, okay? R EH equal to a square root of z square minus x square, okay? So we have already find out z and x. So z square, that means z EH minus ZEH square minus x square, x square, x EH REH, sorry. Yes, right. You just find out x EH, na? X EH z square minus R equivalent H. So with the help of short circuit, we can find out equivalent resistance refer to the high voltage side and equivalent reactance refer to the high voltage side.
Sir,
Okay.
REH square होगा ना sir?
REH square होगा, sorry, REH square. REH square. So now is it remember how we can find out the parameters of the transformer with the help of these two tests?
Yes, sir.
So just consider one example and try to solve it. Okay. ये 200 kVA 11,000 divided by 400 volt 50 hertz transformer connected in delta star. Connected in delta star. So open circuit parameters is your given here. Open circuit parameter is given to you. That means 400 volt, 9 ampere, and 1.5 kilowatt. Okay. ये 200 kVA 200 kVA voltage rating is your 11,000 divided by 400. 50 hertz frequency rating. 50 hertz. Okay. Connection is your delta star. Delta star. Delta star. Okay.
हम सोचे ना वहां पे बैठ के खाते हैं
So open circuit parameter is given to you. $400 volt.
Yes, sir. 9 ampere
And current rating 9 ampere.
current.
And power rating is 1.5 kilowatt. So find out the open circuit parameter. 9
Open
ampere.
circuit parameter.
Just find out. And power rating is 1.5 kilowatt. So find out the open circuit parameter. Just tell me. How you can find out? Short circuit parameter is 350 volt. Rated current value and 2.1 kilowatt. Just tell me core losses resistance value. At least. Just tell me core losses resistance value. Yeah. So how
Yes,
you can find out core loss resistance?
So core loss resistance is equal to sir V1 by IE. The secondary side currents. मतलब
V1 by
400 by 9 ampere.
V1 by
IE sir.
IC.
Yes, sir. I see. Sorry.
IC. So how you can
400
find
by
out?
9 ampere.
No. This is not your
Yes,
IC,
sir.
na?
Sorry, sir.
This is not your
Yes, sir.
IC.
Yes, sir. It is
It
IE.
is IE. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So IC equal to IE cos theta 0. Okay. So you have to find out cos theta 0
I see.
and just multiply with 9. Then you will get IC. So cos theta 0 is equal to how much? Cos theta 0
Cos
equal to
theta 0, sir. 1.
core loss power divided by voltage into
Core loss power voltage
current.
into IE current. Yes, sir.
I. So just to find out the cos theta 0. That means cos theta 0 equal to 1.5 kilowatt divided by 400 into 9. Okay. So you can solve this problem, no?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay, just to solve it. I have already explained the procedure. So just try to find out all the parameters. Okay. Okay, fine. So just we can stop here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.